Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style farmhouse decorating ideas for spring. Let's take a look. Spring is a wonderful time to refresh your vintage farmhouse decor with soft, airy, and nature-inspired touches. Spring vintage farmhouse decor blends old or charm with fresh, seasonal touches. It's all about soft colors, natural textures, and rustic elements. Here's a deeper look into different elements you can incorporate. Furniture and materials. Distressed wood. Incorporate whitewashed or weathered wood furniture, dining tables, sideboards, or open shelving. Wicker and rattan. Vintage style wicker chairs, baskets, and trays add a light, airy feel. Iron and metal accents. Use galvanized metal buckets, antique iron bedrooms, or vintage lanterns for a rustic farmhouse touch. Spring color palette, pastel shades, blush pink, soft mint, pale yellow, and baby blue evoke a fresh, spring-like feel. Spring-inspired decor, floral arrangements, plus wildflowers, tulips, pines, and lavender in vintage vases, pitchers, or mason jars. Rustic planters. Use antique milk jugs, wooden threads, or animal wire balls to display fresh greenery. Botanical prints and wall art. Hang vintage botanical illustrations, nature-inspired paintings, or floral embroidery. Cozy and lightweight textiles, floral or gingham prints. Use vintage-style floral or gingham table turners, pillow covers, and curtains. Lace and crochet details. Add lace dowlies, crochet edged linens, or lightweight ruffled bedding. Kitchen and dining touches, open shelving displays, add vintage dishware, animal teapots, and floral mugs on rustic shelves. Spring table settings. Use linen napkins, mismatched china, and messenger glasses for the farmhouse style table escape. Breadboard and mudguard blocks. Stick old wooden cutting boards against your backsplash for a warm, rustic feel. Fresh produce displays. Fill wire baskets or wooden trays with lemons, pears, and fresh herbs for a farmhouse touch. Accents and repurposed decor, antique mirrors, then our hanging distressed vintage accents and repurposed decor. Rustic ladders use a wooden ladder to display lightweight blankets or hang small flower pots. Hand-painted signs display vintage-inspired signs with spring phrases like "Hello Spring," "Fresh flowers," or "Gather and Bloom." Outdoor porch decor. Rocking chairs or benches. Add weathered wood benches with floral cushions to your porch. Vintage watering cans. Use an old metal watering can as a planter for daisies or tulips. Hanging baskets. Suspend your baskets filled with greenery or pastel flowers. Spring Farmhouse decor is all about bringing in fresh, airy, and nature-inspired elements while maintaining the rustic charm of a farmhouse style. Key design principles for spring vintage farmhouse decor: light and fresh color palette, base colors, soft whites, cream, beige, and warm grays. Accents: pastels like plastic, sky blue, jasmine, and butter yellow. Wood tones: whitewash, distressed, or natural reclaimed wood for warmth. Natural and vintage textures: warm wood, chippy paint, and painted metal and cast character. Linen, cotton, and crochet fabrics bring softness. Wicker, rattan, and galvanized metal introduce rustic charm. Floral and botanical accents: fresh or fox flowers in old pitchers, annual jugs, or mason jars. Wreaths made from lavender, eucalyptus, or dried flowers. Timeless farmhouse pieces: farmhouse tables, distressed vases, or iron bed frames. Open shelving to display vintage dishes, pictures, and cookbooks. Reclaimed barn doors, antique mirrors, or old window frames as wall decor. Groom bedroom, spring vintage farmhouse decor, living room, seating, and floral or gingham throw pillows with a vintage sofa. Coffee table styling: use a wooden grill with a vase or fresh flowers, stick books, and a ceramic bunny or bird figure. Mantle decor: adds an old window frame, a small spring wreath, and white candles in vintage holders. Textiles: swap out heavy winter truss for lightweight linen or crochet blankets. Kitchen and dining room, spring table escape, use pastel plates, a linen burner, fresh flowers, and oven placemats. Vintage-inspired dish displays, open shelving with floral prints, annual wear, and glass jars. Rustic centerpiece, a wooden dog bowl filled with eggs, moss, and small ceramic birds. Herb garden displays small pots of basil,